Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Wyze Cam step by step clearly. Begin by unboxing your Wyze Cam. Ensure you have all components, the camera, power adapter, and USB cable. Plug the USB cable into the power adapter. Next, connect the adapter to a power outlet. Position your Wyze Cam where you want to monitor. Make sure it's near a Wi-Fi connection. Download the Wyze app from the App Store or Google Play. Open the Wyze app after installation. Create a Wyze account if you do not have one. On the app home screen, tap the plus icon to add a new device. Follow the on-screen instructions to power on the camera. The camera will display a yellow light when ready. When prompted, press the Setup button on the camera. The indicator light will begin flashing yellow. Connect your smartphone to your home Wi-Fi network. Input your Wi-Fi name and password into the app. Wait for the app to connect to the camera. Once connected, a voice prompt will confirm the setup. The camera's light should turn solid blue, indicating a successful link. Adjust the camera's angle and positioning as needed. You can configure additional settings within the app. Explore options like motion detection and alerts. Your Wyze Cam is now fully set up and ready for use. Check the live feed in the app to ensure everything is working. Enjoy enhanced security and peace of mind with your Wyze Cam. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.